Thank you for joining me today for Rhymes and Songs, where I sing a song or a rhyme that goes along with our new Storytime in a Bag. So for May's Storytime in a Bag, the theme is gardening. And before we begin, I also wanted to make a quick announcement regarding our summer reading program this year. So this year's theme is Reading Colors Your World, and we will be having all sorts of outdoor performances. So we hope to see you there, and that begins on Monday, June 7th. Okay, so for today we will be doing 5 Little Flowers, and this is actually, this song was originally by the new Glarus Public Library. So thank you very much for creating such a cute song for us to sing. And so I will be using my felt characters. However, at home you can use your fingers as your flowers. That works just as well. All right, here we go. 5 little flowers growing by the door. A bunny ate one. Munch, 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 munch. And then there were 4. Let's go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4 flowers. 4 little flowers smiling at me. I picked one up, and then there were 3. Let's go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3. 3 little flowers, purple and blue. Give one to a friend. And then there were 2. Let's go ahead and count them. 1, 2. 2 little flowers grow in the sun. Pick one up for a bouquet. And then there were only 1. There was only 1 flower. Let's go ahead and count. 1. 1 little flower grows all summer, making seeds. And what comes out of seeds? That's right. Our beautiful flowers come back. Excellent job. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope to see you next time. Take care. Bye.